Prince Lot, number one, because it's just a beautiful place to be out there when it was at Moanalua. My memories of it is, because the hala we come from, the kumu we come from, is Leina Ala Kalamahaini. And when I first became a haumana of hers, one of my first performances was at Prince Lot. So, I mean, it was just so enjoyable to be out there. No, it's not a competition. It was very olu to be out there, and it's just beautiful. And, and years to follow, we continued, to be a part of that. And then when Sky and I finally became kumu and we opened our own halau, we were asked by Pauline to actually perform. And that was actually our first performance of our halau actually coming out. So that's why it's kind of special to us too, because our first halau came out there. So hula is alive and well. Despite of what's going on in the world today, we make amends, and we will continue to have hula in our lives forever. Now once this happened, we ended up doing this Zoom thing and Facebook Live so that we can continue to teach our haumana. So it is here, it's alive and well, and it's here to stay. Hula is life. Yes, it is totally life. It is my life. I was groomed in hula. It taught me right from wrong. It taught me just who I am today, from haumana to a wife, to have a ohana, to have, my career. I've learned a lot being in hula, so that's why I can honestly say that it is my life. Now that we are kumu, more of a life, we need to portray to our students. And now I'm a nana. I have 3 mo'opunas right now. My youngest, who's 4 years old, we even let her come to hula right now, just because she doesn't even pay attention, but she's there, and that's how you start hula, right? Bring them in, let them enjoy, and one of these days she'll stand up and she'll dance with us. We can only hope that, what we portray to our students, the discipline we share with our students, that it will make them better people in this world.
I remember coming into Prince Lot Festival when I was with Leina Ala Napuale. So I was quite young. And one thing with the Prince Lot Festival, which the Moanalua Gardens set the stage, it was a sharing of mana'o, a sharing of every kumu's own style. It wasn't a competition. You came and shared, and you were proud, and you respected the other kumu of what they gave, because when they dance, it's all from the heart. It's all from the pu'uvai. Really nice. That's what I like about the Prince Lot Festival. Now it's at the Palace, which is also beautiful. But Prince Lot, pretty much, I'm glad it's not a competition. I hope it never becomes a competition. Yeah. The Palace here at Queen Emma Summer Palace is just as olu as the Moanalua Gardens is. At least that's the feeling I get when I come here. It's very just like your home. The future of hula is strong because it's all over the world. People of all races, all cultures want to learn hula. And I believe it's because for us as Hawaiian people, that's our backbone, that's our foundation, yeah. With the language, that's who we are. That's who we were, that's who we are, and it's who we will still yet become. And we will stand strong as Hawaiian people. I think people around the world get that ha'aheo, that proudness, that being so strong, but being able to bend and go in the direction we need to. Hula is life for me. Hula is life for Liko. Hula is life for all my hula brothers and sisters, because it's not just about hula. Again, still about the language, because we have to understand the language in order to do what we're doing. Hula builds strength. It gives mana'o, not only now, but of our ancestors before us. Again, back, now, coming, future. It carries on. It just keeps carrying on for generations. Hula is life and will always be life.